Let's start with our new practice set 1.2. We are looking towards how to solve simultaneous equations, two simultaneous equations, to find a solution of those equations. Now one method we have already seen, that is elimination method. Now we are going for our next method, that is graphical method. Now we are going to use graphical method to solve the simultaneous equation. This is your second method. So let's start off with your first problem in your practice set 1.2. The problem goes as, you are given two equations, x plus y is equal to 3, and your second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Same way you are going to number it as equation number 1, equation number 2. Now in graphical method, what are you going to do is, first of all consider first equation, x plus y is equal to 4. In this method you are going to assume some values of any one variable, and with those assumed values you are going to find the value of another variable. Now suppose, put x is equal to 1. This is your assumed value. We are just assuming that if x is equal to 1, then what will be the value of y? What will be the value of y? Put it in this equation number 1. 1 plus y is equal to 3. What you get is y is equal to 3 minus 1, that is y is equal to 2. So if your value of x is 1, your value of y is 2. So solution for this equation number 1 for your assumed value is 1, 3. This is your first assumed value. In the given question 1, 3, remember the answer. You have provided a table for this first equation itself. So for a while I am rubbing this second equation. This is after considering first equation, x, y and xy. It is given in this form. So what are you going to, how are you going to fill it? What you have assumed for this first equation, first value of x you have assumed, it is 1. So when your x is 1, your y in this equation is 2. This was your answer. So what is the answer of order pair? 1, 2. This is your answer. In the same way you are going to assume for the next value. In this way you are going to complete it for next value. This was just assumption. In the question it is given, assume the first value as 3. This is your first one, first column in the table. So for x is equal to 3, what will be the value of y? It is very simple, still I will solve it over here. X is equal to 3. This is given in the question. So this is 3 plus y is equal to 3. Y becomes 3 minus 3, 0. I am writing it directly. So your y is 0 for this. So what is your answer? Order pair 3, 0. In this way you are going to fill up the other tables. What is your next column? X is not given. Now in next column they have given y. Y is 5. So for y is equal to 5, what will be your equation? X plus 5 is equal to 3. You are considering only equation number 3. This table is considered only for this first equation. So x is equal to 3 minus 5, x is equal to minus 2. Means when your y is 5, x is obviously minus 2. So answer is order pair minus 2, 5. First x, then y. In the same way, next it is given, assume y to be as 3. What will be your answer? The answer is here itself, but still I will solve it. X plus y is equal to 3. X plus 3 is equal to 3 because your y is 3. So x is equal to 3 minus 3, it becomes 0. So here it is 0, 0, 3. In this way you have completed the first table. This was your assumption. These are your practice set answers. This is the first table of first equation. In the same way you are going to solve second table for second equation. And then we are going to plot these things on the graph, these coordinates on the graph. And where the two line intersects, that point of intersection will be the answer or the solution of these two simultaneous equations. In this way you are going to solve graphical method. The next table of second equation we will see in next video.